Hello, I'm Dr. Manali Dekaraja and I'm a consultant dermatologist in Eye Care Diagnostics and Doctors Hub, Guwahati. Today, 29th of October is celebrated as World Psoriasis Day and it is dedicated to people living with psoriasis or psoriatic arthritis. This year, the theme for World Psoriasis Day is Be Informed, and I'm here today to convey some information about psoriasis for a positive change and to dispel the common myths associated with it. So, what is psoriasis? Psoriasis, it is a chronic skin condition which appears as red, scaly, itchy rash that can affect every inch of the body starting from scalp to all the way down to feet. But most commonly, it starts appearing on the back, shin, knee and elbow joint as a red patch with silvery scales, which on removal will show some pinpoint bleeding. Psoriasis can also affect the nails, the scalp, and that is why if you have severe flaky dandruff kind of thing which is not going away easily and is resistant to treatment, you should seek an expert opinion immediately. Now, who can get the disease? Psoriasis, it is an autoimmune condition by which it means our body's immune cells starts attacking our own native cells as foreign invaders. So basically anyone can be affected. Of course, there are predisposition and trigger factors that may cause change in our immune system. And some of the common triggers are stress, trauma, medication like the antihypertensive drugs, beta blockers, and climate change, infection, most commonly the upper respiratory tract infection, which again causes a particular type of psoriasis called as gutted psoriasis, especially affecting the children. Yes, again, there is a genetic component to it, but it's not like your parents have it, so you are definitely going to have it. Psoriasis sometimes can be very baffling and often patients face social stigma and due to some myths associated with it. So here I am today to debunk some of the common myths associated with it, like people think it is caused by poor hygiene, but it's totally untrue. It can occur in anyone, like I've already said. Even with people observing good hygienic practice can also get the disease. It is a common myth that psoriasis is contagious, which is again not true, as it doesn't spread from one individual to another. It's not an infection. Many people refrain from seeing their doctor because they have a notion that it is not treatable. Well, there is no permanent cure to it, but the condition is absolutely manageable. There are multiple approaches starting from cream, lotion, pills or tablets to injectables, all depending upon the severity. In fact, there are so many new options and advancements nowadays like phototherapy, biologics that are proven to be quite beneficial to the patient. Psoriasis can wax and wane. Just because you are having severe kind of psoriasis now doesn't mean you are going to have it like that for the rest of your life. It's something that is treatable and you can live a normal day-to-day life. But again, awareness is very important because sometimes the skin rash can be just a tip of an iceberg. It can be more than just a skin rash, because sometimes it can cause inflammation of the joints known as psoriatic arthritis, which can be very painful and debilitating to the patients. It can be even beyond that. It can have widespread systemic effects like obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even psychological discomfort. So, regular consultation and follow-up with a qualified dermatologist is a must, which will help in keeping the disease under control. Also, one should try to adopt a healthy lifestyle, including exercise and well-balanced diet, avoid undue stress, refrain from drinking alcohol and smoking, because these are the factors which can again increase the severity of the condition. So to conclude, I would just like to say, no one should feel that it is something they have the battle against. It's just something you can find a solution really easily, and being informed can curb many of your daily problems that you may have been facing from quite some time. Thank you.